the program. And she sent 25,000 here towards the material, towards the house. This is from Julia from Canada.
Big up yourself, Julia, and thanks for the donation.
I've got $1,000 here for you from Julia from Canada. Julia from Canada. I must give Stacy aka Chips.
Julie from Canada, bless up yourself. The extended family, bless up yourself. Bless up Pablo and all of the donors there. When you bless somebody, the couple run over and big up sister Donna. We say in the name of Jesus. Yeah, come in the name of Jesus.
Pastor Jackson. See the man. A swing lass.
Yes, man. Every time, extended family, you come every time.
Every time.
Every time. We're not there every time. We're not
Every time.
We're there more life and give thanks and praise. Rastafari every time.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time. That is that.
Didn't you tell Chips and Chips? She was just calling me Juki.
I'm joking.
His name's no more.
His name is not used no more.
Yeah, didn't you know?
I like your color, look.
We always have.
Jamaica.
Well, anyway, this could you calm down. Good evening to all my extended family. How are you doing?
Fatal. Jenna.
Yes, man.
See it there. She just like her door.
Eh?
Yes,
This me I come here lock your door, lock you, Miss Donna. Why block me out, Miss Donna?
Donna just like her door. See it there. Oh. Whoa.
Yes, that's how I feel. Curry I go shoot.
Anything you have, man.
Come on, let me go to curry, you know.
Anything you have.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to have the ketchup, I'm going to have the equipment them for you. See me, I say, here, come here. One day, I'll take some curry.
Come on, curry.
Yeah, man, come in here. I'm curry with you. Gino, such a party, you know.
Yeah, man. Can you remember the name there, right?
Scholars, dancer. Who is saying that? No more dancer, bro.
It's colors.
Strictly colors, man. Yes, my extended family.
My name is Queen with no location. I got 10,000 here for you towards the house. And Queen.
Queen, big up yourself. Thanks for the donation. And may your pocket never empty. I will always pray for you. When you go out, when you're coming in.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
share it. Mark, make sure you drink your water. Make sure Mark really like drinking water. Max, drink your water. Max, come on. Max will drink water, you know. Max will drink water. Max only eat. Watch, Max never man gone. People them that are gonna drink water. They man go eat and gone. See there? Max never man got to water. Max. Some I know Max say no, Max eat, Max don't drink water. Yeah? See there? It's not the first to try to give Max water. We are showing that, so listen, Max don't drink water. It's not the first to try to give Max water. Max ain't not the water thing. Max can go and say and eat and him belly full. I'm gone about in business. One dog must eat and drink water. It's not the first. Max. Max don't care about water at all. Max say, yo, I'm done and gone, you know. Give Max, bro. Max, I want nothing near water. Max, yeah, Max belly full. Max, they will finish all the mackerel. Lean back some inside. Alright, so at least Max belly full. Max don't want no water. One time when we were young and our brethren, our hero. Yeah. One time we used to run board. Yeah. And we used to cook. So any man will cook and go away. Near man go away, we call them near man go away. Yeah. So you have some man just over there cook and them done and them gone. So we call them near man go away. You have people that eat them fall asleep as them eat. Yeah. Right. But you have some man them down and watch the pot, you know. Yeah. And when the food done as them eat, them gone. As the plate empty to them near man gone. So we call them near man go away. You know. So, and that Max always do near man go away. That's true as well. Yeah, and if you eat and stay till the food digest and burp, you know. Never gone star, boy, Max. Max know when you're in the boat. Yeah. Max never gone. You know, man, when I run boat natural, and as the food done cook so. And they move, and eat and gone. Signal there. But it's higher.
I better climb.
Well, as you can make you go, please.
More place in here. What you say?
You feel it?
More places down there.
Eh? Donna.
Yes.
One. Stacy, aka Chips and Chips.
Kino, right?
Kino what?
Kino live.
Oh, live.
So Kino live.
Yeah.
Chips get shy now.
Yeah.
And I get shy.
You don't find no more of the song yet. You don't
No,
more song.
I don't find no more tune. I
more
still feel that
lyrics,
tune, man. soon be like show. I find a more true yet.
Yeah. I may have a donation here for you, you know. She get tired, yeah, grow, man. What if a dumpling?
It will still like this Kino. And you see it? It grew up.
We have old school. Drinking a bag juice with water. I lose Stacy, aka Chips. I've got $1,000 here for you. From Julia from Canada. You know, Julia from Canada. I must give Stacy, aka Chips.
Julie from Canada, bless up yourself. The extended family, bless up yourself. Bless up Pablo and all of the donors them. When you bless somebody, the couple run over and big up Sister Donna. We say in the name of Jesus. Yeah, come in the name of Jesus. For the Christmas. Scatter the enemy and make God arise in your life. Big up Dream Team. Me I say something, Kino. Look all I put on weight, you know. Yeah, man. And yes, when God done bless you, little, remember me tell you, your house are going to look like Donna one.
Yeah.
When you start work on it, it's going to look like Donna one. My time not ready for come. Me now worry myself. God have a plan for me.
Oh.
My time not ready for come yet.
Why worry?
Why worry when you can pray and humble yourself? Them say faith move mountains. Lord God, help me somebody around here. Lord God, Jesus Christ, help me. Help me around here. What we worry about?
Nothing to worry about.
And a roof over my head. And me a heat. Lord God, can't get for hungry for Christmas. Be a milk and be a cereal. Hey!
Be a milk and be a milk and cereal, of course. Make them know chips. Milk and cereal.
Hey.
Fillets, yeah, then they go on using them, they're not called fillets.
Yeah, I know them sell them to come here and see them and them peel it. Buy the board and just cut the board and make it.
Yes, Donna. All is well.
Yeah, big up to all extended family. But they have feel sick, but me still them out.
Oh, you're not feeling well?
Yeah, because for last week, my fever and pain and that, so.
And your tummy?
So I go doctor, them don't know why yet. We have an x-ray to take and blood test. So I saw money I wait for and I know God go to the x-ray. I mean I don't know that money yet. But I know God will provide for me.
You don't know the God where you serve. You know the God.
Big up all of the extended family. I'm still about. I'm glad say you know help me. I'm thank you for help me. I'm ask God every day for guide and protect you on the way out, in and in. And God will bless you and may your pocket never empty.
Yes, Jesus say you already know the God where you serve.
Yeah, man, we know the God we serve, man. And extended family, we know the God we serve. God said, He never make him pity them hungry, never make them suffer. He would supply them needs and them riches and them glory. Me not know what to say. And we praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Yes, Jesus.
Yes, stay safe. So then I have a donation here for you as well, so towards your house, you know, towards the new coming, you know, and this person now named Queen. There's no location, you know, she don't want to be known where she's from. So your name is Queen with no location. I got 10,000 here for you towards your house. Queen.
Queen, big up yourself. Thanks for this donation. And may your pocket never empty. I will always pray for you. When you go out, when you're coming in, guidance.
So we give thanks to Queen, our extended family. And we also have another one from Julia. You know, same Julia that just blessed chips. So this is Julia from Canada, you know, our newly extended family who is newly to the program, and she sent 25,000 here towards the material, towards the house. It's from Julia from Canada.
Big up yourself, Julia. And thanks for the donation. May your pocket never empty. God always help who help somebody. Thanks.
Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Julia, our newly extended family from Canada. You know, so blessings and welcome to the family. They need it. Right, blessing.
Big up Pablo. Hey! You think God done with you yet? He's not done.
You're done. Yeah, done. I will give thanks.
God always help people who help one another. The Bible says, help, you get back double. Yeah, I mean, no, God will go no back double. So just go and big up on yourself and keep on helping because you know no get more than one to give.
I want to sing a song to the extended family. I search all over, could find nobody. I look, still find nobody. Nobody better than you. I hear a song that extended from the big up on yourself in the name of Jesus.
Thanks. Florida.
Yeah, you know?
Everything, man.
I'm trying to Rasta Messi. Boom, Florida latest one right now.
Cool, man. Whoa. Oh. Whoa.
Yes, I'm sure it's up from there. That's how I feel. Curry and ground shoot.
Anything you do, man?
I'm going to go to curry, you know.
Anything you do?
Yeah, man. So, I'm going to have the ketchup, I'm going to have the equipment them for you. See me, I say? Here, come here. One day, I'll take some curry.
Come on, curry, more curry.
Yeah, man. Come in here. I'm curry with Kino, so it's a party, you know.
Yeah, man.
Didn't you tell Chips and Chips? She was just calling me Jokey.
I'm joking.
His name's no more.
Them names are not used no more.
Yeah, didn't you know?
I like your color.
We always have.
Jamaican color.
Well, anyway, just could you calm down? Good evening to all my extended family. How are you doing? Jacuzzi went they sleeping in a Kino. So when I wake up to get some food, when I came out I saw you. So I said, damn, extended family, they always like to watches me.
Yeah.
So we say, alright, we ain't going back in the jacuzzi bed, you know. If once going back in it, you know, natural. You're gonna knock out.
Oh,
you get what I'm saying? Yeah. Good evening, Mother Teresa.
So she really call it Juki?
Yes, my fair Chips said, Chips, they don't use that name no more.
No more. No more
Colors, if you ain't
Juki.
saying colors, they better you don't say nothing.
Yeah, you have to say colors.
You ain't gonna answer to nobody.
Can you remember the name there, right?
It's colors. Dancer! We saying that? No more dancer, bro.
It's colors.
Strictly colors, man. Yes, my extended family. Oh my gosh. You know, say we talk about you people every day though. When I'm sleeping, I'm talking about you guys. When I'm eating, talking about you guys. When I'm at the airport, talking about you guys.
You can't stop talking about them.
Oh, if you stop talking about the extended family.
But you just call my one, I go, dancer. No, I say.
So the people that make me living in style. Sure. You hear what I'm saying, man? Yeah, when me, you know, with jacuzzi dead, you know, we cut 20.
Not 10.
Not 10. Yeah, and we just watch flat screen on the wall and when we're thirsty, we go in the refrigerator and you get what I'm saying?
When they're tired of the bed, just jump in the sofa.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Even with the couch. Oh my gosh. I'm afraid for living on the couch still, you know, extended.
Yeah.
Yes, free for life on the couch.
The coach I can drive over there.
Yeah. And you know what I like, Kino? All those people who watches me and your program whenever I'm at the airport, they just want to get out on this army, you know.
Just.
Yes, colors.
Loud screaming.
Don't ask, they give me money.
Loud screaming.
When I went to the airport yesterday, Kino, one of my Juta taxi driver, you know what he told me? Colors, you know a lady came off our flight asking for you, bro. I said, you kidding? So I was saying, damn, she gone? He said, no, she's over there sitting down.
Waiting for you.
Waiting to see Mr. Colors.
Waiting.
And when we go over there, you know, extended, Lord of mercy.
Loud screaming.
Wow, she gave me like 10 Canadian dollars, you know?
Just.
Yes, and we see our next lady name is Donna on her over there in Winston. They gave me like 2,000 Jamaica dollars last week.
Just.
Yes, and they say I must big up Kino also.
Just.
And we see our next lady again. She told me to tell Kino she's coming to Trenchtown, but she don't know when.
You're
You
looking
get me?
forward to see her then?
Yes, but that's on our extended. We don't really go to the airport because it's not bright.
Yeah.
You see, tomorrow now, you know, is a British flight coming in.
Yeah.
And anybody who watches the program from they get to Jamaica, from they get out,
Colours.
all upon their mind, you know, we want to see colors.
Yeah.
But what about, yeah, we just say we have a red out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what about this outfit extended?
You know what I say already.
Oh my gosh, wow. Yes, extended. Anything
So-
worry about your airport still in the extended? Yes, they always come grab me, you know.
So you see Donna Mansion?
Yes, I love it, bro.
Donna Mansion.
Yeah, it's coming on. It's coming
So the
on.
windows finally gone in.
Yes.
Window
But
lock
now,
up
say,
now.
even Miss Donna don't call me Chucky because
That is it. That is it. You see that? Barnabas put the left and the right hand.
As usual, you know?
Yeah. Give him the left and the right hand. You see the team downstairs chop out grass and bush on the land. Pure chopping. Take them out of the concrete jungle and bring them in the green land.
Greenland.
Different.
Them back to nature.
Yeah, a lot of them be missing the nature, boy. That's how it is, you know, nature. The man names are different. If I reach them place, the energy different, you know.
Yeah, fresh
Fresh
air.
breeze. I just feel like vibes, you know, different. You just feel the vibes are different than them place there. Pull on that now, little.
cheap with colors right now, bro. Yes, I know
all the windows going in.
It's coming on, bro. Yes, my extended family, boy. I should know colors loving you know.
Trust.
But you know what? Someone was telling me, what a day if me ever get a trip coming to New York, that airport with
Black.
Oh my, they would wonder if is the president coming.
Of course.
You get what I'm saying? Yes,
Wait
my extended, and it's gonna happen, you know.
Of course.
Yeah, but we have to just wait on the time, innit?
Yes, I.
Yes, thanks a master. Yes, so from Mr. Kino, I just say, you know, I ain't going to keep that jacuzzi bed, you know.
Have to come
Yes,
out.
because my extended family, they really love to watches me, bro. Yes, trust me.
Some true colors.
Jacuzzi.
Some a
We
jacuzzi.
didn't really have to walk come down here, come look at Miss Donna.
Mansion.
Beautiful cottage.
Yeah.
You get, Miss Donna, I wonder if you're gonna get jacuzzi bed like me too. When you hit it, you can't wake up, innit?
Yeah, man. Water bed
I
shaggy.
think so, you know. Yes, my extended family, colors love us so much.
Yes, sir.
Can't done, I must say, extended when I'm sleeping. I'm talking about you guys. When I'm eating, I'm talking about you guys. And when I'm at the airport, I can't stop talking about you people because you make me living in style right now. Yes. Me couldn't tell nobody say me did I go buy a refrigerator, put in the piece of foul cover around here, innit? And you see, from the foul cover turn cottage, you see we buy a fridge, put it there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and whatever. You get what I'm saying?
Yes,
So
sir.
if Kino is here and we have Arizona in the fridge, we say Kino, Arizona is in the fridge for you, you know?
Can I come back and do it?
Yes.
Yeah, come back and do it.
I'm big up to Miss Donna, you know? Yeah,
Yeah,
a long time I
come
don't
on,
see
come
her.
back.
She's a very nice lady, you know?
Yeah. Then I go lock her door.
Yes, and big up
It don't work for the day.
Yeah, never stop working.
Never stop working.
Yes, Miss Chips. Whenever you saw me again, No more jukey jam. Yeah.
Donna like a door.
The colors. Yes. And extended, you know, we have to love Kino too, you know. Because right now, Kino, the amount of people this young man make no colors. Oh my gosh. Sometimes when people came on the airport and they don't saw me, they get very hungry, you know. Yes, because in their intention, they coming to Jamaica to see colors. If it's even $20. You get what I'm saying? Yes, and this is my new digit what I buy the other day, you know, extended. Yeah, they stole the second one. They stole the second one, so we buy back a third one.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying? Because it's good thing when we save money, you know, extended. We don't just go to the airport and get money and waste it. We put on a little. So when we sick and we can't go over there, we draw for something. Yes, my extended family. So it was nice talking to you people. Colors love you from my bottom of my heart. And we love Kino, so we heading out. We're signing out now. We just go back. We going back up to the Wow Chef Kitchen.
Alright.
Okay, extended. Love you hard. I'm out.
Donna say you like the door, so that's, you know, them time that's gonna be coming soon. That time is coming very soon. That's the taste of it locking the door now, Donna.
Yeah.
You know, all the windows gone in now. You know, just the finishing bits and bobs left.
No, she could have out the way extra.
Yeah, so we're not far off. We're not far off at all. Jenna.
Yes, man.
See it there? She just like a door.
Eh?
Yes,
You see me, I come here, lock your door, lock me out, Miss Donna. Lock me out, Miss Donna.
Donna just like a door, star. See it there? Rasta Jackson. See it there, man? A swing lass.
Yes, man. Every time. Extended family. We come every time.
Every time.
Every time. We go there every time.
Every time.
Because we there whole life and give thanks and praise. Rastafari every time.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time. That is that. See it there. Alright then. Florida.
Yeah, live up a later, you know, on one side there.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.